This is the demo of the Blues Driver BD2 and the Hot Tone Soul Press 2. So this sells 6K for the Blues Driver and 5K for the Hot Tone. Yeah, so clean tone. Yan, so yung clean tone is papunta sa Joyo American Sound, just for reference. So yung BD2 Kili mode niya is per Sir Mark dun sa volume gain, medyo may bump siya, so parang ganun yung DM, yung ano niya, yung modification. So yun, so all working good. Tapos ito naman yung wawa. So yun.